the 2010 Nissan Versa. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. The following features are included: tilt steering wheel, rear wipers, and air conditioning. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.